Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to transfer stocks using Robinhood application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download the Robinhood application on your phone. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and actually sign in to create your account. Of course, if it's your first time using the application, you would like to create your account. If you already have an account, all you need to do, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight into the tutorial. So as you can see here, they are actually asking me to add or to enter my pin code. So if it's your first time using the application, they will not ask you to do anything. If it's your second time opening the application, they will actually ask you to enter a pin code. Then every time you go into the application, they will actually ask you to enter that pin code. So for me, I just set here for 0. So if I type that, they will actually open the application into the home or the main screen of the application. So here, as you can see, all that will actually be our home or main screen. And first of all, before start using the application, you will need actually to verify your account. You will find a video on how to do that in our channel. Then you'd like to fund your account, to add funds to your account, at least $1. So for me, I didn't do that. Of course, if you didn't do that, you will not have the full options on this application, and you will not even be able to use it. So of course, you would like to add funds to follow this tutorial steps. So as we said, how to transfer stocks using the Robinhood application. So you can transfer securities and cash to outside brokerages through a cut automated customer account transfer system if you want to keep your Robinhood. So of course, you can even, like as we said, stocks. So let's just like scroll down. Here we have the most traded stocks. Slowly just go and click on that. Choose as an example one of those. So let's say Tesla as an example. So if I click on that, as you can see, for me, you can start investing once your application is approved. So if you want to actually like transfer your stocks, you'll have here the option. Instead of this, you can transfer or you can start investing once your application is approved. You will have here an option like cold transfer. So just go and actually click on that. Then you will be actually able to transfer your stocks wherever you want. So this will be actually for the tutorial. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.